Hi there, it's Jessie. I'm so happy you found this video because it means you want to learn more about natural solutions, specifically thinking about essential oils and doTERRA brand essential oils. And I have all kinds of ideas and things up my sleeve that I want to teach you. So make sure you go subscribe to my channel and then I can teach you via YouTube so much. But then if you aren't yet working with someone in doTERRA and you want a one-on-one oil mentor, I would love to be that person for you. So the purpose of this video is BOGOs. doTERRA announced today that they are running BOGOs. The time of recording is June 2024. So if you need more information or you need help ordering, look in the show notes and I've got my contact information there. But this video, I just want to talk really quick, and I am challenging myself to do one take for this video because I have what I call happy hour class happening shortly. And happy hour is where I do live continuing education. So you can plug into that too. But I want to talk about the BOGO pairings because how doTERRA runs it is if you buy a certain oil, then you get a different oil for free. And with these BOGO pairings, because some companies, when they do BOGOs, it's like you buy one and then you get the exact same one for free. doTERRA, they're different and it's really, really fun. And it's a crazy, amazing time to get great deals from doTERRA. So I'm just going to look at, I've got my computer over here. I'm going to look at the different BOGO pairings and then I'm just going to talk and share some of my favorite ways to use that oil. So this is not rehearsed. This is just raw and real, but I want to get the information out before my happy hour class. So are you ready? Okay, the first BOGO pairing is buy Helichrysum Touch. You get frankincense touch for free. So when I say touch, that means it comes in a roller ball and it's diluted with fractionated coconut oil. So it's great and ready to go for topical application. So with Helichrysum Touch, I think of sunburns. I think of skin issues. If you have an owie, put Helichrysum Touch on it. So it's like a liquid Band-Aid. So healing, wound care, Helichrysum is phenomenal. It stops bleeding. Frankincense Touch, it's great. It's anti-aging. So thinking about putting it on your skin for anti-aging benefits, for scarring. It's great for nerve issues. So good. The next pairing is buy Copaiba Touch and you get Lavender Touch for free. These are ones we use a lot in our home. The other ones we use a lot too, but these ones we use on our kids a ton. And so Copaiba Touch, we love putting it on our kids for aches and pains, or us as adults. It's great for skin issues too. It's very versatile, but I think of sleep when I think of Copaiba. So you could roll it on the base of your neck or just put it anywhere. Like we'll even just rub it all over our kid's head and we just need them to get to sleep. You know what I mean? So it's great for sleep, skin issues, so much discomfort in your body. The growing pains. Okay, so the Lavender Touch, it's like the Swiss Army knife of oils. So let's say that you were out barbecuing and you accidentally touched the barbecue and you burned your skin. Like, look at that right there. This would be a great example of where to put Lavender Touch for the healing and then to follow up with the Frankincense Touch for the scarring. So Lavender Touch is great for any sort of burns, owies on your skin. It's also great if you were to have bug bites or whatever to help with the calming of that. If you get into poison ivy or, the stuff that happens in the summer. The next one is Passion. So, buy Passion and you get Cheer for free. My son is trying to get in under the door and I'm just going to keep rolling. Okay. So if you hear child, my husband's with him. Okay. So buy Passion and you get Cheer. And these are not touch. These are coming in 5 milliliter bottles. So they're great for diffusing. That's the first thing I think of with both of these is diffusing them. You can choose to put them in a roller ball or just put them on topically and do something like Ghetto Diffuser. I talk about that often. Put a drop in your hand, rub your hands together. I'm just holding my phone so I can't pretend I'm like rubbing my hand together. Breathe it in. But both Passion and Cheer are great to diffuse. So Passion is, you could use it in the bedroom as you might think, oh, Passion. But also I think about like in the office setting, you're trying to get really creative, getting some stuff done. It inspires you. Diffuse Passion. Cheer. Cheerful. Like if you need to be cheerful, maybe you had a tough morning with your kids, get Cheer diffusing in your diffuser and it's going to just help lift the mood and help everyone smile or frown turn into a smile. Both of these are great ones that I love diffusing. Okay, next pairing is Peppermint and Wild Orange. Oh my goodness. I have another video. I'm going to try and remember to pop it up at the end where I teach you how to use peppermint wild orange together and all the fun tips and tricks I have with peppermint wild orange. But my favorite thing, the first thing I think of with these two is for natural energy. So you put a drop of each in your hand, rub your hands together. Imagine I rub my hands together. And then you're going to breathe it in, ghetto diffuse it, and then you're going to put it on the roof of your mouth. You're going to do a do bong where you breathe it in and then rub it on the back of your neck. And we love having these two oils in our car for road trips and just you need to pick me up. But that video that's going to pop up at the end goes a little bit more in depth. I used to be a high school teacher and I would keep these two oils on my keychain. So and I taught older kids, seniors. And so they would come into the classroom and be like, Boschma, I worked late last night. I'm so tired. And like, use peppermint wild orange. And I taught them how to do this trick that I just taught you. But other things like bugs, peppermint is great. So we'll take a water bottle with water and some peppermint, and then we'll just spray it around our door frames. We'll spray it to keep ants away. I'll give it to my kids and they'll just have fun spraying it outside and helps the bugs go away. And my kids have fun and it's uplifting. I love putting a drop of peppermint a couple drops on my dryer balls. Wild orange, it's so good for cooking. I'm obsessed with these olive oil orange cookies. They're so good and they're not super sweet, but then I add some extra drops of wild orange. So many cooking things. You could add some drops to your guacamole. Oh my goodness. But then diffusing peppermint wild orange is so good. Try diffusing frankincense and wild orange. If you were to look at the emotional benefits of those two, it's truth and abundance. So good. So good. Such a great diffuser combo. Okay. Then the last pairing is Buy, Digest, Then Touch. You get Tamer Touch for free, which is really fun. You could think of Digest Then as the old adult version and the Tamer as the kids version, but that doesn't mean that kids can't use Digest Then and adults can't use Tamer. It's just that like the Tamer is marketed towards the younger kids. They both are digestive support. Like they both are great for digestive support. Roll it on your tummy if you've eaten too much, if you need to go poo, maybe if you're pooing too much. The Tamer blend, I think that a lot of you would agree with me, has a more pleasant aroma. They both work phenomenal. My grandma, she's 94. She keeps a roller bottle of Digest and Touch in her cooler that she takes everywhere with her because she's insulin dependent, so she has to keep her insulin with her. But then she has the Tamer Touch for those times when she just eats a little too much and she just rubs it on her belly. Works so good. And there's other ways you can use Tamer and Digest and Touch as well, but the biggest use for those is stomach issues, okay? And then here's the deal. If you buy all those pairings, or if you do an order that is 150 PBs or more during the time of BOGO week while supplies last, you'll get a Roman chamomile for free. So actually, you don't even, like you could say, oh, I want to buy a lot of the passion cheer combo. If your order total comes to 150 PVs, you're going to get a free bottle of Roman chamomile. But if you order the BOGO bundle is what they're calling it, you're going to get a free doTERRA wooden box that stores 25 oils. I quickly outgrew that box of oils, but now that box is in my youngest two kids' room, and it's just great. So you buy the BOGO bundle, you get the box for free. But if your order is 150 PVs or more during BOGO week, you're also going to get a Roman chamomile bottle, and it's 5 ml. So Roman chamomile, I think of sleep. I think of young children. It is so good. It's just super calming. It'd be great in an Epsom salt bath. I think about it for teething. I use it a lot. I had a roller ball that I did with Siberian fir, Roman chamomile, and lavender. And when my kids were teething, I've got my daughter. She's getting some molars. So they're older, but they're growing teeth. So I'm like, maybe I should pull that roller bottle out now. But I would just roll it along their jawline. It's a great one for sleep. Pair it with lavender. So good. Okay, so that was a quick rundown of the BOGO pairings. This is super raw and real, but I just wanted to get some of my favorite ways to use these BOGO oils out to you. And if you have questions, show notes, look in the show notes. Look in the show notes. My contact info is there, my email address, my phone number. You'll probably get a quicker response from me if you were to text me versus email me, because I don't keep email on my phone, but I do have my text messaging. So shoot me a text message. If you need help ordering, the info is there. So I have a blank link in the show notes. I have a there's an empty shopping cart link in there. So if you don't have an account yet, you would click on that link, put whatever you want. So you would put, let's say you wanted to get the passion and cheer and then the peppermint and wild orange combo. You would put passion in your cart during BOGO week, and which starts on Monday. June something. Oh my goodness, it's June 23rd. This is all while supplies last, so don't hold your order. So you would click on that link that I put in my show notes, put, passion in your cart, and then the cheer would just automatically populate. Put in the peppermint, and then the wild orange would automatically populate. Put anything else you want in there as long as your order is 150 PV. Remember, you'll get that free Roman chamomile, which if you're opening a new wholesale customer account, you would also get a free diffuser. So fun. If you already have an account and you just would log into your account, place your order, make sure it's during that window of time and that the oils haven't sold out, because sometimes that really and truly happens. And then you just make sure you process your order. If you have questions, reach out. Have a great day, and I will see you soon.